How to fix a supported game is required to use this feature, NVIDIA GeForce Experience. Now, first things first, you'll have to make sure that your graphics driver is up to date to the latest version. To check on that, go to your Windows search and type in Device Manager. Click on OK. It will route you to Device Manager's control panel. From here, go to Display Adapters. Click on your current graphics driver, for example, this one. You'll just have to right click on that and click Update Driver. It will update automatically by itself. Now, once done, just close everything. And then from here, we'll proceed on the next troubleshooting steps. To do so, go back to your Windows search, type in Services, click on OK. Now from here, you'll just have to press letter N on your keyboard and look for NVIDIA Display and NVIDIA Local System. Now you'll just have to make sure that both of those apps are currently running. If those apps are currently running, for example, this one, right click on it and click on Restart. Now if those apps are not running, right click on it, go to Properties, and from Properties, change the startup type to automatic, and then click Start. Once Start is done, click on Apply, and then OK. Same goes with the NVIDIA local system. You have to do those processes for both NVIDIA Display and NVIDIA local system. Once you've done all those troubleshooting steps, you'll have to restart your PC and try to relaunch the game that you want to play. So that's how you fix a supported game. It's required to use this feature, NVIDIA GeForce Experience.